Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing distractions. Unplug USB drives, monitors, and peripherals so nothing blocks boot. Then force a shutdown by holding the power button for 8 to 12 seconds. This clears a hung lock screen state. Once the system powers off, wait 10 seconds, then press power to restart. If you had unsaved work, make a quick note now because some apps may not recover files automatically. Later, we'll attempt safer restarts and recovery methods to protect data. Once rebooted, boot into safe mode to isolate software conflicts. Use Shift plus Restart or the appropriate F key on your laptop. In safe mode, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. This fixes many lock screen freezes caused by file issues. Make sure to check Device Manager next. Update or roll back display and keyboard/mouse drivers because faulty drivers often hang the lock screen. If updates fail, note what you finish by testing fixes. Run System Restore to undo recent updates or software that triggered the freeze, and create a new user account to check for profile corruption. Log into it and see if the lock screen behaves. If problems persist, back up your important files immediately to an external drive or cloud, then consider a reset or clean OS reinstall to eliminate deep system issues. If reboot still freezes, safe mode logs or a technician can analyze hardware faults as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.